Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. How to bust a move to supersize and grow your business. I don't have the bust a move music. It's one of the popular songs. This is a very new idiom as far as idioms go in terms of it not being from very long ago. It's actually in 1986. The Beastie Boys, in one of their songs, said, pay attention. My intention is to bust a move. And then in 1989, Young MC created a song by the same name, Bust a Move, which is his most popular song as an artist. And it hit number 10 on the charts, the music charts back in the day. And I think it hit number 1 in Australia in 1990 or something. But it doesn't matter. The point is, bust a move means to get moving, to dance, to be enthusiastically dancing, or to do something, take action enthusiastically. And our topic for this year's annual challenge, I Get Your Goals annual challenge, is the A in the SOAP framework, which stands for action. So I want something that would relate to that as we're thinking about growing and building and supersizing our business today. So I created and threw together a list of 15 different ways to bust a move, meaning get moving, expanding, and growing your business. And I'll share them not in any particular order. I just randomly created a list and see what you think of them. Number 1, build a sales funnel. Until 2017, I wouldn't have had any idea that that was a great way to expand and grow your business and to automate things in your business. I always knew that getting online was a super smart move, but didn't realize the power of sales funnels. Since then, I have personally created over 200 sales funnels for different businesses and my own businesses, and I am definitely a fan. Number 2, use a customer management system. Got to keep track of your customers. Why? Because you have to be able to follow up with people. People seldom see you, meet you, and then say, yes, I'm going to buy. It's why social media and personal branding and business branding is so important. People need to see your business and learn more about your business so that they can know, like, and trust you and choose you to do business with. Research the competition. Of course, this is pretty basic. You got to know what other people are doing and offering so you can decide what's most important and will serve the people your ideal customers who you want to work with best. Number 4, create a customer loyalty program. Huge fan of this. I think that our most valuable customers, and if you're not monitoring the lifetime value of your customers, just in it for the short term, then you're probably not building a long-term legacy business, and it's hard to supersize if you're always burning and churning and having to find new people. It's also way more expensive. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, identify new opportunities. Always be on the lookout for better ways to serve the people that you're serving or to expand into other markets. Build an email list. Again, till 2017, I'd heard about them, but I wasn't doing anything about it. I did have, for a couple of my businesses, an offline type mailing list and a snail mail list, and we would do something with them like Christmas cards and that, but it's not the same thing as having an email list where you can very inexpensively communicate with your customers and potential customers really, really easily and on autopilot, the best way. Form strategic partnerships. Strategic partnerships are one of the fastest, easiest ways to expand your business, to grow and supersize your business. If you're not tapping into the power of those and you want to know how, just ask. Leverage global platforms. Hello, social media is global platforms, or things like Amazon or eBay or other platforms that allow you to sell your products and services to the entire world. Licensing deals. Done very few of these, but they are a great way to make money. Consider a franchising model. Have considered franchising models and done a little bit with them. But there's always opportunities there. Another one of the fastest, easiest ways to grow and build and supersize your business is to actually acquire other people in your same industry that are smaller than you, but that are up and coming, or that have a technology that would really benefit your business, etc. So acquisitions, I don't even think I have acquisitions on this list, but that's a great one too. Always be developing your offer, your offer stack, or your offers, the things that you offer. Make sure that you have more than one way for people to get to do business with you, right? Sometimes we get into this mindset that I'm only a consultant. If you don't pay me $100,000 this year, then I'm not going to work with you. Okay, well, that doesn't work for everybody, right? And we want to have new people coming to us. So maybe we have some courses or a book or some programs that we can offer people, that do-it-yourself programs that they can go through to get an introduction to us and to our business. Build passive income streams. huge believer in multiple streams of income. COVID, if that didn't teach us all that we have to have multiple streams of income, I don't know what could. Acquire other business. Oh, I guess I do have acquire other businesses. International expansion. Again, been involved in a little bit of that, but to me, it's tricky and not really worth the energy and effort, except via the international available platforms that I don't have to actually have a business in each of these different countries. Depends on your business, of course. And then create a webinar. Again, webinars done. My gosh, I've lost track of how many of those I've done, but I've done hundreds of them because they're such a powerful tool for helping to teach people, giving them value, and then bringing them into your organization. So love to know your favorite ways to bust a move and build and supersize your business. Share in the comments below so we can learn from one another, or story about a way that you've done or a way that you've tried that didn't work, because we can learn from our own as well as other people's mistakes. That's it. Love to know your experience with this particular idiom, bust a move. Not a dancer personally, pretty ugly unless there's lots of alcohol involved, which hasn't been for a long time. But have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have a great day.